Hey, what's up guys? This is Carlos, front-end developer here at Cloudgunk and America's most handsome developer. And today I learned about jQuery extend function. What the extend function does is merge the contents of two or more objects into the first object. I use this to clone objects, and I can just show you what I mean real quick. Now, when you call this jQuery extend function, we're going to have the first object here, and we could have a bunch of other objects, but the second one is going to be passed in here. So the contents of this one will be copied over to the first one. There are a couple of other parameters. As a matter of fact, the first one could be a Boolean, which is true. It cannot take in false, and if it's true, you create a deep copy. But let me just show you some code so I can show you what I mean. Hey, what's up guys? So the jQuery extends function. What I use it for is to clone objects in order to use them elsewhere. On the documentation side, it says that jQuery.extends is used to merge the contents of two or more objects into the first object. The first object being the first parameter passed in, and you can pass in a number of objects, but in this case I'm just using one. I'm pulling the object, the first object in this array of selected addresses, and I'm combining it with this empty object, and I'm defining the value of the return value of this extend function to this cloned address object, and then binding it to the address form. I can show you it right here. What we do is just hit this button, it clones it, and then it binds it to the address form, so we could maybe edit the address, for example. So you click on that, its contents were cloned and then bound to this template over here. It's pretty simple stuff. Also, this first parameter, as a matter of fact, is a Boolean. It could either be true or false. And what that says is you'd want to make a deep copy in this case or not. This case is pretty simple, so I didn't really have to specify that. But it's pretty useful. It goes beyond just this simple example, but I just wanted you guys to get the gist of it. If you have any other tips, tricks, or hints, feel free to comment below, and thanks again for your time.